Well, for everyone that's new here, I want to say Happy New Year! The holidays are over, and I'm finally going to get back to my regular recipe making. But as most of you that follow me know, in the beginning of the year, I like to bring to you some low-carb recipes and some keto recipes. Some people like to just get healthier, and they want to eat healthier. Some people want to lose weight, so they want to eat healthier. It doesn't matter, but for whatever the reason might be, I like to start you off with some low-carb recipes that I enjoy here. Now, I recently posted a recipe. Oh my gosh, they were so good. They were cheesecake-filled Tostitos. Tostitos. So easy to make, 0 carbs. So if you want to go back, you can look at that. But today, I'm going to bring you, I'm just going to call this a low-carb, healthy snack. You can name it whatever you want, but we like it. It only requires 3 ingredients and a little dash mini waffle maker. So I think you're going to enjoy it. So what do you say we get started? Let's get started. Well, the first thing you're going to need, like I said, is the little mini dash maker. I'll put a picture in for you, but I'm willing to bet many of you already have it. And we're going to need, and I used these on my last recipe, these are Mission Brand 0, that's right, 0 net carb tortillas. You get 14 in a package. They're small. They're like 25 calories each, and they're 0 net carbs. And you're also going to need some Laughing Cow cheese. So we're going to take out, those of you that are familiar with Laughing Cow cheese, it comes in these little wedges. So we're just going to take out one of these wedges. They have the picture of the cow on them. And we're going to need some bacon. Now what I did is, because this is an easy snack, whoopsie. Because this is an easy snack recipe, I don't want to be standing in front of the stove or baking bacon in the oven. No, I bought the microwave bacon, the one that's already cooked, and you just microwave it. This way, whenever you're in the mood for a snack, just pop a few pieces in your microwave for less than a minute. So, what do you say we get started? Let me take out a dish here. The first thing we're going to do is heat up our dash maker. And I'm going to put some snapshots in just to show you as I go along. And then you can use avocado spray oil. I don't happen to have any, I'm out. So I'm just going to use my canola spray oil and spray the top and the bottom of your dash maker. Okay, now we're making 1, so we're going to need 2 of these 0 carb tortillas. So let me open this up. I've been doing so many things with these. If I'm in the mood for a little snack, see the size of them? I've been putting peanut butter on them, just eating them plain, just so many different things you can do with them. All right, so I have these. Now I'm going to open up my little Laughing Cow cheese wedge. They always have this little red string on it. So you can pull the string, woo, and it opens up the cheese, because the cheese is very soft. So let me get a knife here. So I hope everyone, New Year is starting off right. I don't make any resolutions. I just set some goals for myself and keep my fingers crossed that I can keep those. All right, so take your tortilla and take your soft Laughing Cow cheese and spread it. See how easy it spreads? All over your tortilla. They have different flavor, Laughing Cow cheeses. I just use the original one. You can use any one you want. So we're just gonna, it just spreads so easily. Look at that. I'll put a picture in for you. You know, you don't want to go all the way over to the edge, but you know, go pretty far over. All right. There we go. So hopefully you can see that. I just spread it all over the little tortilla. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, my dash maker is already heated up. Make sure you preheat it. I'm going to open it up. Oh yeah, it's hot. Let me move it over here so I can make sure I get it in and you can see it in the frame so you can see it. Whoopsie. Should have had a pop holder here. All right. Now you're going to take the piece of your tortilla and with the cheese up, just lay it right down here on your dash maker. Now take 3 pieces, just like this, of your bacon that you've already cooked. And I did this in the microwave. It took no time at all. So I'm going to just place 3 pieces here. And let me take this one. Going to now put the other piece of the tortilla on top. So you're making like a little sandwich with these 0 carbs. And now I'm going to close it. Pretty easy, right? So I'm going to leave that down. It might take a minute or 2. You can pick it up in a little while and just check. You know, you want the edges to get slightly browned. You probably have a few of the marks on it, you know, because it is a little waffle maker. And I'll tell you, that's all there is to it. When this is done, I like to cut it in half. It's so good. You have 0 carb tortilla, and you have the taste of the cheese and a little bacon, and I'll tell you, it makes a perfect low carb snack. I mean, think about it. The tortilla is 0 carbs, and it's only 25 calories, so you're using 2 of them. It's 50 calories. The cheese, I believe, let me double check for you. The 1 wedge of the Laughing Cow cheese is only 25 calories. Yeah. And according to this, it's really just 1 gram, which technically, according to this, comes out 0% carbs. And then whatever your bacon is. So let's say you're on a Weight Watcher plan. You would maybe count 2 pieces of bacon. See how many points that is? Your tortilla would probably be no points, as well as your cheese. But you could figure that out yourself. But if you're on keto, I mean, this is a perfect snack. And whether you're on keto, Weight Watchers, low carb, doesn't matter. It's a great snack for anyone. So let me open it up and see how it's going. Oh, it's coming good. I'm going to move it over a little bit there. I guess I could tell you now that if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. I have a lot of good recipes coming up. And you know, you're probably sick of me saying it, but not just recipes. I do like holidays, and we have Valentine's Day coming up, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, and I might throw in some vacations and reviews. I like to keep the channel interesting. And I really do appreciate each and every one of you, because this wouldn't be a channel without you. And I'm excited to say that I reached finally over 9,000 subscribers. And I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway soon, so keep your eyes open. So let me see. Oh yeah, this is starting to brown. Let me get my dish. And I don't have my scissor here. These are really easy to cut in half with my kitchen shears. Just boop, and they're cut in half. Oh. So I hope everybody did have a nice Christmas, those of you who I haven't seen. And also a nice New Year's. Ours was very quiet. We didn't really do very much at all. We stayed home. My daughter and son-in-law had COVID, so they didn't come over. But we made the best of it, and it is what it is. Oh, these are coming out so good. All right. I just want to get it a little more brown on the edges, so I'm going to just turn it a little bit, press it down. These are so good. And I will put some pictures in for you because I'm working solo. So this way I can take a couple of shots and put them in and maybe show you step by step what you do. But you can see how easy this is. Oh yeah. All right. Well, this looks like it's probably done to me. Yeah. Let me just check the edges. Oh yeah. All that cheese is, Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we're going to do a taste testing in a minute. I haven't had lunch yet, so I just might make a couple of these and have them for my lunch. Why not, right? All right. And for those of you that like ice cream, but you don't want all the full fat or the calories in the ice cream, next I'm going to be making a recipe for peanut butter ice cream. Yeah, make it, well, I'm not going to tell you how you make it yet. You'll have to watch. But you don't need any kind of ice cream machine or anything like that. And it comes out so delicious. So you don't have to worry about indulging in your ice cream. You'll love it, trust me. All right, I think this is done. Yeah. So let me take it out. Let me swing over my dish. Whoopsie. Take it out with a fork. I'm going to take a picture of this just so you can see it. I'm going to get a scissor because that's how I like to cut it. So hold on. Okay. Be careful because it's very hot. I have my scissor. I'm going to cut this baby right in half. Woo, look how easy that is to do. Yeah. And there you have it. I'll put in a clip for you. All right, now I'm going to do a taste testing. Look at that. With that melted cheese in the middle and the bacon. Oh, yeah. Hot. Oh. I mean, what doesn't taste good with bacon and cheese? Look at that. It's delicious. So, here you have it. Low carb, for sure. Keto friendly. Weight Watcher friendly. Snack. Lunch. Whatever you want to make it for. So give it a try. And thanks so much for stopping by. And make it. It's so good. And I'll see you all very soon. Toodles.